everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke nge-e.tv scandal. Well guys, the big question ukuthi ke uLihle will she give in to uLibone or uzokwazi ukuthi ke agcine ke elwisene ke nalendoda noma ke egcine wabonile amaqhinga ngekalibone. Guys, it seems as if uLibone he's doing this thing to amantombazanyana ke amancane awa-convince ngalolu thando, watshela ukuthi mahle. He's been confusing uLihle nje lately, emtshela ukuthi umuhle, amehla akho mahle, usmayila kamnandi, when you speak, you know, I like ngithe ngiqala ukubona ngavele ngakuthanda. So guys, he's making sure ukuthi ke everything I show it sinks to umqondo ke kaLihle, and uLihle useqala ukuba namanga amaningi, unama secret of which it's something kade engasiyona ke before, and uzolwisa ke abazali bakhe ke because unhloso wazi ukuthi uma wakho uvumile and uma wakho wazi ukuthi unhloso uvumile yabo, he's just playing that game, and u-influencer iyona ke le ndoda le ewuLibone. So guys, mawungabe ufunda ke amatheses kulezi insuku ezayo, kuyavela ukuthi ke kunentombazanyana ezofika and izovula ke amehlo ke kaHlophe ukuthi hayibo, le ntombazanyana guys izofika ke bese ke I think izo like something will come to Hlohe's mind ukuthi ke kwenzekani kuyena ke esaseyingane, because mangabe uLibone efika, I remember ukuthi ke uHlohe ask him ukuthi ke what happened between you nabo mama, because when we were growing up you were not like a close family, you were very far from us, and ke bangayikhuluma kahle. So I think guys ke ukuthi ke uLibone wadlwengula ke uHlohe esaseyingane. That's why umama kaHlohe ke had to cut ties with his or with her brother, and lokho kuzobuya ke emqondweni ke kaHlohe. Into engifisa ukuyazi guys kuwena ukuthi ke do you feel sorry for uLihle? Do you feel sorry for uLihle? Do you think she'll give in to uLibone and lose her virginity to this man who is this guy guys, he's a sweet talker. Sweet talkers amadala, ngazi ukuthi nje ikhona ifuture azoyibringa to ke uLihle. On the other side, he's busy answering ama calls promising into ke engekho kulamanye ke amantombazanyana ke amancane. But guys, it's a lesson ukuthi ke as intombazanyana incane, you have to listen to your parents, and not be convinced by the old man on the street, because what Libone is doing is very, very dangerous. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.